Welcome, coffee enthusiasts, to the ultimate brew journey. Today, we unveil Amazon's best coffee makers, your passport to a world of aromatic delights. From the sleek Breville Barista Express to the versatile Keurig K-Elite, we've handpicked the creme de la creme for your morning ritual. Get ready to savor the brew with Amazon's best coffee makers, because every coffee moment deserves perfection. The Cuisinart DCC-3200 is praised for its consistency and temperature control. With a large capacity and programmable features, it's an ideal choice for households with avid coffee drinkers. The Ninja DCC-3200 is a versatile coffee maker that brews hot and cold beverages, including specialty coffee and tea. Its multiple brewing options and convenient features make it a standard choice. The Hamilton Beach Flex Brew caters to both ground coffee and cup users. Its flexibility, affordability, and compact design make it an excellent choice for various coffee preferences. The Keurig K-Elite is a versatile single-serve coffee maker with a strong brew setting and iced coffee option. It's perfect for those who appreciate convenience without sacrificing taste. The Breville Barista Express offers an all-in-one solution for coffee enthusiasts. With a built-in grinder and customizable settings, it delivers a cafe-quality espresso experience at home.